Can you do it again? Does it feel funny when you have pigtails in? Ella. You're funny. Can you take a forkful of their food? Can you have some food? Look. I know you know how to feed yourself. Show everybody. Okay. All right. You just like shaking your head. Shake, shake, shake. See? Look how big you are. You can eat all by yourself, somewhat. All Mommy's got to do is put it on the fork for you. You are so cute, sweetie. Ella. Can you get more on the fork? You want help?
Help.
Hey, can I help you? Look. See, it's hard to do when I'm taping. Oh, good girl. So good. Oh, you missed. Can I give you some more?
No.
Can I give you some more? Look. I'm trying. I'm not left-handed. Here you go. Yeah, Mommy's not very good with her left hand. Here you go. More's on your fork for you. There you go. You take it. There you go.
Hi. Hi.
Who are you saying hi to, sweetie? Your imaginary friend? Or the camera, maybe? Happy. You say happy. Happy. Ella, can you say happy?
Happy.
Yeah.
Happy.
Happy. All right. We'll see you later, say. Say, see you later, alligator. Blow kisses. Mwah.
Meow.
Can you blow them away? Go. Mwah.
Meow.
Don't catch them. Go. Mwah.
Meow.
Oh, you're sweet.